you have to explain what is algo trading in total layman terms. It is, most of them think, okay, I'm not making profits, let me get into algo trading. They tend to assume that algo trading makes
somebody
money. It's kind of an automated money
saying
making
it's
machine.
an ATM machine
Yeah,
that makes money every
but
month. It's
so
not,
algo trading is like
robot is the alien.
Yeah.
They will make money.
So consider algo trading, for an example, a sailor who's getting into a ship and who wants to reach a destination from A to B. Okay, and his only way, probably over 50 or 60 years before, is prior to that, like most of the transportation was happening through ships. Like there was no air cargoes, nothing, right? So maybe 100 years before, how they used to do is they used to track where the stars were, and accordingly they used to go to that specific destination and deliver whatever the goods. That is how the transportation was happening. Now you have this GPS navigation and everything, tools. So this particular ship can go from destination A to B using these navigation tools. Those navigation tools are your algo trading rules that tells you that okay, you can easily sail through this place from A to B, but you can reach the destination. That doesn't mean that your journey is going to be smooth. There will be storms.
You will get a rough sea also at times.
There will be ups and downs. So algo trading is
The
like
nature of the sea has not changed.
Right, exactly.
And it is to a large extent not in anyone's control.
Exactly.
I mean,
so algo trading doesn't help you to make profits. It just eases the overall process to reach your destination. But still, it is the trader who's trading the trading system makes or breaks. So it is all about that. So it is not that algo trading is money making machine.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.